For many generative AI tools, it can feel like the model is doing the designing for you, which can leave you with less creative control and results that feel generic. At Adobe, we've taken a different approach. Firefly is built to give creators and creative professionals the control they need to bring their vision to life. In this video, you'll learn about creative controls in Firefly, tools that go far beyond a simple text prompt and are designed specifically for creative workflows. Model. Start by choosing your model. Firefly offers multiple image models, so play around with them to see what works best for your needs. Some are really good at fast, high-quality results, while others prioritize precision over speed. These models are constantly changing and improving. Aspect ratio. Need a square pose for Instagram? A widescreen banner for YouTube? Firefly lets you set your aspect ratio before you generate, so your image is ready to go, no cropping required. Content type. This tells Firefly what kind of image you want, photo or artwork. Just make sure your prompt matches your setting. For example, if you're designing an illustrated children's book cover and set the content type to art, avoid contradicting yourself by using terms like photorealistic portrait in your prompt. Mixed signals leads to mixed results. Visual intensity. The visual intensity slider controls the aesthetic intention of your image. When the slider is all the way to the left, that is your natural setting. Picture an image that has no edits, no retouches, and is just very true to the real environment it was taken in. On the other hand, when the slider is all the way to the right, these images tend to look more produced. The lighting and colors are more intense, often giving a more dramatic, fantastical, and surreal feel. So remember, slide to the left for a raw, snapshot-like look. Slide to the right for a more produced, stylized image. Composition reference. Composition is all about structure, how elements are arranged in the frame. In Firefly, the composition reference helps guide the model to match the outline and depth of a reference image, giving you more control over layout and spatial relationships. Then, Firefly will match its structure, like where the subject sits within the frame while generating something new. One of my favorite workflows is to sketch a quick layout on a piece of paper, snap a photo, and upload it as a composition reference. Firefly keeps the structure while letting you reimagine the content. Style reference. If you have a specific style in mind, like a painterly texture or a cinematic color, upload the image as your style reference. Firefly will apply that visual language to your new image, helping you stay on brand or on theme. So for example, say you're building a campaign with a retro film look. Upload a reference image with grainy textures and warm tones, and Firefly will apply that style to your new content. Effects. Not sure how to describe the look you want? Use the Effects panel to apply presets like watercolor or synthwave. What's great about this function is many of us, especially new creators, might recognize a style when we see it, but not know exactly what it's called. How would you know to type synthwave if you've never heard the term? The Effects panel bridges that gap, giving you a visual toolkit of popular styles to explore and combine. No jargon required. Color and tone, lighting, and camera angle. These advanced controls let you fine-tune the atmosphere of your image. Adjust the color and tone to match your brand palette. Use lighting to shift the mood from soft and dreamy to bold and dramatic. Change the camera angle to explore new perspectives. Here's a scenario. You're creating a hero image for a campaign. You've got the concept, but it needs more drama. Use lighting and camera angle controls to add depth and cinematic flair. All right, that covers the main controls. Now remember, with Firefly, you're not just generating images, you're directing them. And as the creative, you have to be strategic about how ideas come to life. And with these controls, you have the power to explore, refine, and create with confidence. So, as you head into your next project, think about where you want more flexibility and where you want more control. You've got everything you need to create exactly what you want.